Organise your pantry in just 60 seconds. One of the first things that you want to consider when it comes to organising your pantry is the zones. It's what helps us maintain the spaces for a longer period of time. From your head to your hip is what we call prime real estate. That's where you want to have the items that you use on a frequent basis. The great advantage with these lazy Susans is that they create an independent home for a set category of item, and it brings the contents from the back to the front. What we've then done here is grouped like with like items together, and these items are accessed on a very regular basis. Investing in good quality Tupperware containers allows you to create the space a little bit like a jigsaw puzzle, keeping all tin goods in one space so that you can access them quickly during the cooking process. Our next shelf is actually relevant to snacks. And then moving up to the higher shelf, these ones are not as frequently used as those at the bottom, also based on the height of the shelf. The higher zone is what we refer to as the storage space. That's where you want to keep special occasion items that don't get used often. That's a quick wrap of how to organise your pantry.